All right, welcome. This is my first episode on design with me. So I want to show you how I made this amazing design, how you can also replicate it. So I'm using Canva for this particular design. So welcome to my design space. This is me after written the text I'm using, elevate your digital skill with Doyenify. So I actually highlighted the keyword digital skills and I searched for it in the element section under photo, and I picked this particular image because I love how it is related to skills. But I don't want it to be that to the horizontal edge to be sharp, so I want to blur it out. So I pick the shade. I actually search for light in the elements and change the color from red to the shade of the edge of that particular design, and then I mask it down. I duplicate it across board with Ctrl D, and after a while I group it together here with Ctrl G, and then duplicate it and just use to fade out the edge from the right side, and then I move to the left side. Just press Ctrl D to carry the shade, and for the base I just rotated it to ensure that it's also covering that particular sharp line. And after a while I actually take it also to the top to also blur out that particular line. Now it's covering the text now, but I'm going to rearrange the text later, as you can see, just to ensure that the so this is me showing it in green color to let us see that there's a particular shade there. And now I've taken the text up those shade, and as well take the base and some elements also up the shade, so that is very obvious, and the shade that the image can be at the background. So after doing this, I actually try to align the text just to ensure it's central aligned. And after a while I actually work on highlighting the keyword again, make it bold, and by doing this make it more amazing. And then I change the font from Arimo to Montserrat just to make it look very legible and amazing. After doing this, I also want to make it a bit premium, so I search for in the elements, I search for white Duotone just to make it look premium, and I pick this particular element and I put at first at the background, but because of those shades I've added at the edges, not making it look nice, even though I reduce opacity, so I just decided to put it on top instead of at the background, and I reduce opacity about 15, just transparent about 15. We make it look something like this. So this is how I came about this particular design. I'm sure it's something you can also replicate at your hand. I'm just aligning the layers here to make it look great and to ensure the interaction are very amazing. I'm sure it's what you can do at your hand. I'll change the color to green, but I think the black is fine. Enjoy yourself and try it. Bye.